Hey there, design lovers. Welcome back to the channel. Get ready to have your mind blown because today, we're talking about shocking interior upgrades that are taking over in 2025. These are the trends and innovations everyone will want, and trust me, you'll want them too. Let's jump right in. 1. Digital art walls. First up, digital art walls. Forget traditional paintings. 2025 is all about LED panels that display customizable art. You can change the mood of your space with a simple swipe on your phone. Imagine having a Monet by day and a futuristic light show by night. Two. Smart furniture. Smart furniture is here to revolutionize our homes. Think coffee tables with built-in fridges, adjustable smart beds, and desks that charge your devices wirelessly. These upgrades are as functional as they are futuristic. Three. Color changing technology. Why settle for one color when you can have them all with color changing technology? Your walls, lighting, or even furniture can shift hues to match your mood or occasion. It's like living in a chameleon's world. Four. Modular living spaces. Next up, modular living spaces. Perfect for small homes or apartments, these setups use movable walls and foldable furniture to create dynamic spaces that adapt to your needs. It's like having a new home every day. 5. Immersive lighting systems. Lighting has taken a dramatic leap in 2025. Immersive systems now sync with your music, movies, or even the weather outside to create an ambience that feels alive. Imagine your living room glowing warm during a sunset or pulsing to your party playlist. Six. AI-powered home assistants. Forget basic smart assistants. 2025's AI-powered helpers can adjust your home's temperature, suggest decor updates, and even plan your day based on your preferences. They're like your personal interior designer and life coach in one. 7. Eco-friendly luxury materials. Sustainability is luxurious now. 2025 is seeing a rise in eco-friendly materials like recycled glass, bamboo, and even lab-grown marble. These upgrades are not only good for the planet but also stunning in design. 8. Multi-sensory rooms. Multi-sensory rooms are the ultimate way to relax. Picture a space designed with calming soundscapes, subtle scents, and textured walls to engage all your senses. Perfect for winding down after a long day. Nine. Hidden tech features. Tech is going undercover in 2025. Disappearing TVs, pop-out outlets, and appliances that blend seamlessly into your decor are the ultimate in sleek and modern living. 10 Vertical Gardens 2.0. Vertical gardens are getting an upgrade. Automated systems now take care of watering and lighting, making it easier than ever to have a lush, green wall in your home even if you don't have a green thumb. (11) Futuristic kitchen upgrades. Kitchens are going ultra-modern with voice-activated appliances, smart fridges, and touchless faucets. Cooking has never been so convenient or so stylish. (12) Smart glass walls. Say hello to smart glass. These futuristic walls give you privacy on demand and let natural light flood your home. Perfect for creating flexible spaces with a modern touch. These upgrades are more than trends, they're a glimpse into the future of living. Which one are you adding to your home? Tell us in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more interior inspiration. See you next time.